Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Bowling off with cricket, the cries of Jamaica missing out on an opportunity to host matches in next month's T20 World Cup were resurrected this past weekend. This as Jamaicans watched the West Indies whitewash South Africa 3-0 in their T20 series. Jerome Foster reports.
3 days of cricket graced the land of wood and water over the weekend, following a 2-year hiatus. The West Indies hammered South Africa, albeit depleted, 3-0 in the T20 series, a first series win at home against the visitors in that format. Even with the return, the majority of fans are not satisfied with the minuscule servings given that a World Cup is 5 days away and Sabina Park will not set up a stump.
Well, I think this is a great start. I mean, the government can't help but miss this. They're looking around and seeing thousands of people in Sabina Park for the first time in years. They can't hesitate, they can't miss this. So this is an opportunity for them to realize that people want a sporting activity to watch. People want to watch cricket in Jamaica.
We are expecting we're expecting a World Cup also here. But I don't know why Jamaican government don't apply for the World Cup. We're really disappointed with that.
Of course, look at it. We would have supported cricket had it been here for the World Cup. Why didn't we get a match? What's up with that?
I am on the ground. I'm not surprised that people want to see cricket. They want to see their stars. It's their favorite pastime. It's a national sport.
And there is still a feeling that the government and the Jamaica Cricket Association missed the train where the world would come to Jamaica.
Again, it proves that we should have been hosting World Cups. The government missed the opportunity. It is an indictment on the government. It's unfortunate for the people of Jamaica. It's unfortunate for cricket lovers, and it hurts me more because the youngsters were out in their numbers. They were mostly in the Georgia stand with their teachers from various schools right across Jamaica. They came to support all 3 games. So it's a missed opportunity, and I would think that sport is not given the respect it needs to be given. Sport is now a multi-billion-dollar, and this is US dollar industry globally, and Jamaica has its own mark on that, whether it be netball, football, track and field, and of course cricket, which is our national sport.
There are concerns about the status of the game on the island, and West Indies head coach Darren Sammy says it was a refreshing chance to be playing at a venue where the regional team has a winning percentage.
First of all, it's good to be back in Jamaica. You know, we've missed cricket in Jamaica, just hearing the shells, the trumpets blowing and all these things, and seeing the fans coming out. It's a vibe here in Jamaica, and you know, I'm glad that we got to experience that and continue, you know, just the legacy Sabina Park carries. And the way I did ask my guys, it's our duty to entertain the fans that they come out to watch cricket and they want cricket here. So I think we achieved that.
If it's based on what I'm seeing, no. But to be honest, as a player, I'm still playing. I think it's on a decline. But I mean, as you can see now, it can be better. It can get better. It will get better. I feel just that Jamaica need more cricket here.
And yeah, we're very optimistic about the future. We're in positive talks with CPL to try and bring CPL back here for 2025. And yeah, look, it's. There's been cricket played in Jamaica for hundreds of years, and we don't see that changing. And our role, and we hope the World Cup will be part of the platform to be a catalyst for growing the sport, not declining.
And for the foreseeable future, cricket will be seen as an event to resurrect and spark interest.
So we are looking to bring local tournaments back to Jamaica, such as Cool and Smooth T20, which is all over the Caribbean. We want to ensure that not just West Indies cricket, but local cricket is played more frequently. Along with the indoor nets that we're opening here at Sabina Park, the home of cricket in Jamaica, we're ensuring that cricket is going to be played throughout the year, no matter if West Indies is in Jamaica or not.
No matches in Kingston, but this group of traveling Indians, along with hundreds of others, have bigger plans.
Yeah, we're going Barbados on 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 3 matches over there. Then we go Orlando to watch 1 match. New York, not Orlando, New York, the India-Pakistan match. You're watching the 3 matches in Barbados, sure.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.